To replace a broken window, it takes 30 minutes. For a 700 years old tree, it takes 700 years to grow. But guess what? Which one is called progress and which one is called vandalism? You break a window, you're a criminal. You cut a tree, you're a developer. You cut entire forest. Even better, you're a grand investor. You're elite. But the truth is, to repair a building, it takes few days. For a 700 years old tree, it takes 7 generations if you're lucky enough to live each one for 100 years. Life of our children, their grandchildren, their grandchildren. Perhaps we should think twice to call this one progress. As a matter of fact, on my opinion, whatever takes longer than a human lifespan to grow must be called vandalism and crime. What's your opinion? What's your verdict? Write down in a comment below. I love to hear from you. For time being, goodbye.